So I bought my Ultra Boost on the Adidas website. There is many different choices for you to actually grab over here, and I just want to show you how many different choices actually exist. The best thing about the Adidas website is that you get free shipping and free returns. So if you buy something, dislike it for any reason, you can give it back. So that is great about the Adidas website. There's only one downside about this site, and it is the actual price. You're paying actually full price for the item, but of course you're getting all the choices and all the sizes, and you can create your own custom shoe as well. And there is choices here that don't actually exist anywhere else also. Now those shoes you can get for males, you can get them for females. The great thing about those shoes is that you can design and make them look exactly how you want them to look. This is actually one of my favorite ones over here. And unfortunately, that specific design is actually sold out. So that's the thing about this website, is that not everything is actually available. And the kind that I actually wanted was unavailable, but there was so many other Ultra Boost shoes for you to pick from. And other things as well. So what you do over here is you just pick the kind you actually like, you press on it, and then you can go to checkout. Here is a different version of almost the same exact thing. Here you can get it for males, you can get it for females, and so on. Now, if you don't find the shoe that you like on the Adidas website, you can go ahead and go to a different website. My favorite website is actually on Amazon. Same thing over here as well. Buy it, dislike it. You can also return it within 30-day return window period. And the great thing about Amazon, they actually offer you the same exact Ultra Boost shoes, but sometimes if they're sold out on the website, you can get them over here, and sometimes you can get them much cheaper as well. So the same shoes that cost over there 160, 180 bucks, we are having the same ones getting for 74, 129, and 94 bucks. Of course, something is going here for 1,335 bucks. This is actually sparking my interest. What kind of shoe costs $1,335? Are you kidding me? So there you have it. Sometimes the price gets super boosted on the Amazon site, but with everything else, just get the shoe you actually want, pick it right here, and change to the kind that you actually want to get. There is many different kinds for you to pick from, and this is the one I want, and it tells me the shipping is $132, and it is free shipping. Yes, free shipping for this item right here. And by going through a bunch of them, you can find the one that you want. Some of them are actually paid shipping. This one is actually more expensive than on the website. As always, make sure you check the right size for the shoe that you actually want, and if the price goes way too high on Amazon, you can always go to the Adidas website and find the same exact shoe over here a little bit cheaper, and so on. So comparing the different websites is definitely something smart for you to do. Now let's talk more about the shoes themselves. Here it is, the Ultra Boost shoe that I got myself, and I want to tell you a few more details. First of all, this place right here, really white. See if you can get something different color if it is possible. I think all of them actually come in white, almost all of them, but you can find one that is dark, and if you do, it's not going to get as dirty. But of course this one is interesting enough. The bottom is black, which is good, but the top is all white, so that kind of defeats the purpose of that one. But maybe they have one that is all black, maybe, if you want to. But yeah, better actually having the top to be different color than the bottom to be black, because this way it doesn't get as dirty. Now a few things about this. This is actually otherwise known as a barefoot shoe, and it is because you can feel everything that you step on. Although it has a huge cushion, you still feel it. It has shock absorbing, so it is great for running, but over here it's not waterproof, so that's a big downside of it. It's like a big sock, otherwise known as a sock. I think you can put like your bare feet right inside here, so you don't even need anything. You can just put your foot and start running with those. Easy to put on and off, really easy. One side fits most. I mean, let's put it this way. If you're wearing a certain size, it should fit most feet. That's kind of like what it's supposed to be doing. Now, if you're wearing a different size and you put your foot in there, and it is the size you usually wear. Now, sometimes you have shoes that you put in and they're like I usually wear size 9 and I put in different kind of shoes. Sometimes they don't feel good. So this one feels exactly how it's supposed to feel, which is actually great. Now, this is the men's version, by the way, but there's a female version. It looks almost the same, exactly identical shoes. They're really very, very similar. Maybe a little bit of style difference, but otherwise they're almost identical. And the L, you can feel the L right here. This is actually summertime shoes. Don't get this if you're in a winter climate. It is not waterproof. Don't get this if you're going on a hike or something. This is mainly for running. It is really for that. It is for barefooting. If you want to walk in something, you want to feel the ground and stuff like that. Casual shoes you can wear every day inside the house as well. So that is what it is designed for. Great shoes for you to grab, and of course there's going to be links right down below in case you want to grab your own shoe for your own shoe collection, or you want to buy them for anything else that you want to get them for, especially when it comes to running. And if you don't believe me how great they are, read the reviews. There's actually reviews right on the site itself. You can go ahead and read 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, and even 1-star. Most of them are 5-star. 1,000 reviews 5-star, 25 reviews are actually 1-star, and 95% of people who got those shoes really actually love them. If you don't believe this site, go ahead and go to Amazon and check the reviews over there. And you can even see pictures of clients actually wearing them. So 77% of people 5-star and above, and 1-star is only 6%, which is pretty decent for a shoe, but you won't know if you like them until you check them out. So try them out, see if you like those shoes, and see you in another episode of the Geek Tech Show.